Welcome to Exam Sale. In this video we will walk through the GIAC Advanced Smartphone Forensics (GASF) syllabus so you know exactly what to study and how the exam is weighted. The GASF exam covers 8 domains totaling 100%, with a mix of hands-on and conceptual assessments. Android analysis and forensics is 14%, iOS analysis and forensics is 14%, mobile third-party app analysis is 14%, and scripting and manual analysis for mobile evidence is 14%. Handset preservation and data acquisition is 11%, mobile app analysis is 11%, mobile device forensics and analysis fundamentals is 11%, and mobile hardware and specialized device forensics is 11%. Android analysis and forensics is weighted at 14%, rated hard, and expects about 30 hours of study with hands-on and conceptual assessment. You will learn Android OS architecture, file system structure and hierarchy, and partition-level analysis including YAFS2, ext4, and F2FS. The domain covers practical skills such as using ADB commands, understanding Android security and disk encryption, bypassing pattern locks and pins, routing for physical extraction, and reading system logs and property files. iOS analysis and forensics is also 14%, hard, and estimated at 30 hours with hands-on and conceptual evaluation. This domain teaches iOS file system architecture for HFS Plus and APFS and how to analyze iTunes backups and manifest files. You will practice list parsing, keychain data extraction and decryption, learn about Secure Enclave and other security features, and explore jailbreaking and lockdown certificate usage for forensic access. Mobile third-party app analysis carries 14%, is medium difficulty, and suggests 25 hours of hands-on and conceptual study. Expect to reconstruct and interpret non-native application data by examining SQLite internals, journal and wall files, and proprietary binary storage formats. The domain emphasizes analysis of third-party chat and social media artifacts, decoding custom date and time formats, manual parsing of app-specific artifacts, and cross-referencing app data with system logs. Scripting and manual analysis for mobile evidence is 14%, hard, and recommends about 35 hours with hands-on and conceptual assessment. This area focuses on developing custom scripts and manual techniques to recover data from unallocated space and validate automated tool results. You will learn advanced SQLite queries, use regular expressions for data mining, write Python scripts for automation, perform manual carving from unallocated space, recover deleted database records, and reconstruct fragmented mobile files via hex analysis. Handset preservation and data acquisition is 11%, medium difficulty, and requires roughly 20 hours of scenario-based study. This domain covers best practices for handling, seizing, and extracting mobile evidence including forensic imaging standards and logical versus physical acquisition methods. Key skills include dealing with live versus powered-off devices, using write blocking and signal isolation, thorough documentation and chain of custody, on-scene preservation and packaging, and strategies for overcoming biometric and screen lock barriers. Mobile app analysis is 11%, medium difficulty, and estimated at 20 hours with conceptual and scenario-based assessment. The focus is on core application behavior, sandboxing and permissions, and where artifacts live inside app folders. You will parse XML and JSON formats, analyze mobile web browsers and cookies, examine email and cloud-integrated storage artifacts, and understand installation and removal traces of both native and non-native components. Mobile device forensics and analysis fundamentals is 11%, easy, and takes about 15 hours with conceptual and scenario-based evaluation. This foundational domain teaches mobile network technologies like GSM, CDMA, LTE and 5G, SIM and USIM card structure, and common storage technologies such as NAND, EMC and UFS. Candidates will also learn forensic workstation setup, legal and ethical considerations, device identification and classification, and basic cell tower and geolocation data concepts. Mobile hardware and specialized device forensics is 11%, hard, and is the most time-intensive at around 40 hours with hands-on and conceptual testing. It covers advanced hardware extraction techniques such as JTAG and ISP, chip-off NAND analysis, and handling damaged hardware and wearable devices like smartwatches. You will study IoT device considerations, emerging hardware-level security challenges, and specialized procedures required for reliable hardware-based forensic recovery. That wraps up the GASF syllabus overview. Use these domain weights and topic breakdowns to plan your study time and focus on hands-on practice alongside conceptual learning.